In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transform into a vampire lord in Skyrim. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The vampire lord transformation is available in the Dawn Guard add-on, and you will be able to access it by doing the main quests and talking to specific NPCs. So, to start this, go to the town of Riften, and you will make your way to the entrance of a specific cave. So, when you go to the town of Riften, go directly to the right upon you reach roughly this area. So you will go through the brewery, and then you will find yourself at this cave entrance. Sadly, I cannot showcase specific gameplay due to the way that I'm recording this video, but it is going to be through this trail to the right of Riften. And once you arrive roughly at this area, you will see this entrance. When you go inside of this cave, you will start the quest line. So they are going to talk about the vampires hiding and the main problems that they are facing. So you will go down this quest line and eventually you will reach a room like this that has a puzzle. You press a button on the middle and you move these braziers around. When you move them into the correct positions, they will start glowing, indicated by the purple flames, which means that you are doing the puzzle properly. Once you have all of them set into position, a vampire will appear in the middle of the room that you can talk to, and she will lead you into Harkon, who is the Lord Vampire, which is going to offer you the option to become a vampire. So all that you have to do is start this main quest and locate Lord Harkon. When you locate Lord Harkon, you will be given the opportunity to become a vampire lord. So go to the town of Riften, go to the right, make this trail until you find this entrance here on this cave. I hope I was able to help you on how to transform into a vampire lord in Skyrim. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.